Orthodontic brackets are bonded to each tooth and work by holding the arch wire in place. And while they are strong, your braces aren't indestructible. If this happens, don't panic. This can easily be resolved by the clinical team, however, some at-home troubleshooting can help you get out of discomfort. Breakages can occur for a number of reasons, most commonly eating hard and/or sticky foods. During your braces treatment, it is important to avoid any hard or chewy lollies, such as Minties, Zappos, lollipops, popcorn, and nuts. Biting directly into foods such as apples, carrots, and corn can also increase the likelihood of breakages, so make sure you cut these food into smaller bite-sized pieces and chew them on the back teeth. If you have a broken bracket, it's important to remember this is not an emergency. We recommend you contact the practice to schedule a repair appointment. If your broken bracket is still attached to the arch wire, it can be left as is until your repair appointment. If the breakage is irritating your cheek or lip, wax can be applied to help secure the bracket and eliminate discomfort. If the bracket is broken at the back of your mouth, you can use tweezers or needle nose pliers to remove the bracket by sliding it off the arch wire. The wire can then be trimmed using nail clippers.